Good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. Beautiful day in South Carolina. Perfect weather. Just gorgeous. Well, I want to welcome everybody to MGB land, and the saga continues. I'm going to work on it some today. I'm going to show you a couple things I'm going to be doing, but I've upgraded my garage a little bit, so I'm going to show you that. So bear with me. I'm going to spin this around. So you can see I got new wood down on my garage. I got a new piece of carpet to park the car on. But I'm going to try to back it out if I get it running today. I'm going to work on starting with basics, making sure the points, the plugs, and all the electronics are, the ignition system is working properly. And I'm going to work on that today, and hopefully we can get this thing moving a little bit better. And what else? That's the big focus for today, is working on that. And then I'm going to start working on my hard top. I've got a couple MGB forums that I follow that gave me some ideas to think about on checking with the plugs, ignition, and the plug wires and stuff. So I'm going to get all that done today. So stick with me. I'll give you a little update this afternoon. Hopefully we'll see this thing backing out of the garage and running a lot better than it was the other day. So thanks a lot for sticking with me. I really appreciate that. My views have really increased, and it's all because you guys look for me, and I enjoy doing this, and I really appreciate your time that it takes to look at these videos. So thanks very much. Appreciate it. Good morning, everybody. Buddy here, Bert's Garage. I want to show you a couple things I'm working on today. Let me spin this around and show you. We've got waiting for parts. Lots of parts have ordered. We had the car running really good the other day, and then we turned it off and it wouldn't crank. So we took the carburetors off and decided just to go to ground one, take them all apart, put them in a ultrasonic bath, clean them really good, and let me get this thing off, and put them in and clean them everything real good and get all the parts. So I ordered all the parts. Should get them sometime end of this week. I'll be out of town towards the end of this week at an art show up in Huntington Beach State Park outside of Myrtle Beach. Real nice park. And so a couple things we're waiting on parts for that, and then we can get the car. But the car is moving really well. We got the brakes bled. They work fantastic. Got the clutch bled. Shifts nice and easy. But I'll walk around and show you a couple things that we're up to. Stand by. Okay. I'm still waiting for the tool and dolly to make my louvers. On the other side of the hood, I do have it all marked out, which I will do, I'll flip this over and I will build a stand and a form to keep it still when I do this. And these will be cut out with my saw over there. I'll cut these, and then you press the other grooves into the hood. So it'll be interesting to see how it turns out. So let me see. Got the headlights working. Been working on some of the electrical. Figured out pretty much everything on the console as far as where all the wires go. Still got both door cards on with the armrest, which are really nice. I'm real dirty because I'm working on, this is the hardtop that I'm trying to get all of the old paint off. And if you look very closely, you can see where it's all cracked. It might have been lacquer paint, I don't know. But I'm going to try to get all that off. And then I'm going to put a coat of white on it just temporarily until I decide what color to go with. But at least I'll have that done. I've ordered side glass. There's plexiglass that goes right here. And I've ordered those from England. So that, I don't know when they'll be here. So when they show up, I'll put it all back together. But at least I want to get some of the sanding done today, just to get some of that off, see what it's going to look like. But overall, I'm going to reseal all of this. This is a aluminum strip that goes around here. Somebody's painted over that, and I'll put all new rubber on it. And we'll probably get new rubber for the back window if I feel like dealing with that. If I can't clean it up, I'll see what I can do. But that's where we stand this week. I took the front grill off because I'm going to replace that grill, and just to be able to get to the wires and make sure I got the turn signals working, the headlights working, the flashers are working. So, a little bit at a time. But I want to give you a quick update. I really appreciate everyone share, like, and the feedback I'm getting. Certainly appreciate it. Got the antenna back on. Of course, I don't have a radio, but that's going to be an easy fix. So that's where we stand. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you very soon.